If you see this item isn't available in your country in Google Play Store, it usually means that the app is restricted to certain region. Here are safe and effective ways to fix this. Now, the first method is to clear your Play Store data. To do that, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, click on the app management, click on my app list. So from my app list, search for Google Play Store. Click on it. So right here, click on the storage and cache option. Here I'll clear my cache and also clear my storage. Having done that, the next thing is to reopen my Play Store and try again. The second method you can take is to change your country. This is actually an official method. So you go to your Play Store. So right here on my Play Store, all you have to do is to click on the profile option. Here scroll gently, click on the settings option. So right here, you click on the general option. Having done that, you click on account and device preference. So from this section, all you have to do is to change your country. As you can see, my country says Nigeria, so if you want to change it, just click on it and you can now change it to the actual country you want to change it. The next step, country and add a payment method. You can only change country once per year and you will need a local payment method. The third step you can take is to use a VPN. To use a VPN, it is actually temporary access. A VPN makes it look like you are in another country. To do that, all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So right here on my Google Play Store, all I have to do is to install a trusted VPN app like Windscreen VPN. Connect it to a country where the app is available. Clear your Play Store cache again. Open your Play Store and search for the app. You can take this last step if these 3 steps did not work for you. All you have to do is to use a different Google account. Create a new account, create a new Google account, set the country during your setup and log into the Play Store with that account and region. So guys, that is it on how to fix this item is not available in your country on Google Play Store. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.